Hello，咁多位小弟國人啊，歡迎嚟到 freeforsound.com。咁今日咧就嚟到呢個奧地利嘅維也納採訪 High-End Vienna 2026。咁呢個地方咧，以往都有做過音響展嘅。以往咧嗰啲評價都係毀譽參半啦，有啲人話好，有啲人話唔得。咁究竟得定係唔得咧？一條片睇晒近乎成個音響展，仲有喺呢個音響展附近仲有3個小型音響展都可以一次過睇晒啊！如果中意睇嘅話咧，就俾啲支持小弟，咁就俾個 like 同埋訂閱啊！
本節目由雅榮音響、Bowers and Wilkins、Cambridge Audio、盛亞音響、iFi Audio、Sound Concepts Limited、方朗音響、P&O Hi-Fi、Volant Audio 贊助播出。
由於條片都幾長，而且涉及嘅唔同音響品牌咧多到不得之了啊！所以如果大家想直接睇自己喜歡嘅品牌同埋產品嘅話咧，就可以喺本片嘅 chapter 張智能嗰度直接去揾。好啦，咁啊唔阻大家時間，即刻開波。Pearlisten 咧推出呢個全新嘅 X 系列，幾個重點啦，平咗呢個好緊要啊，細咗都好緊要，勁易推亦都好緊要。我哋聽聽廠方點講啊。
And one of them we're really excited about is the X series over here. Yeah. The inspiration for that is we had a lot of customers who are really interested in Pearlisten audio, but at a more affordable price. So we have the X5 designed for around a TV, having that longer length. Also really high sensitivity, 92 dB, so you don't necessarily need a lot of power. These are all really designed to have a subwoofer with them. They're not full range. And the D3 is one of those that's kind of a possible option. This is a 1500 watt sub with the same output as our D12S. Yeah, so that's the key is actually using the grills as part of the waveguide. So you've got a more complete waveguide in the vertical, and also keeping that also allows the woofers to be much closer. So we help that comb filtering, but we can still control the directivity.
重係嘛？4暗，呢個 Wallman。
另外 Pearlisten 仲有一部叫做 DSP-X， 係一部針對2聲道而設嘅低頻管理系統嚟嘅，輸入輸出都有數碼同埋模擬系統，最多可以駁4隻超低音。除咗可以調校分頻點之外咧，仲可以校埋時間相位同埋 EQ 控制。想玩超低音嘅朋友咧，應該好啱使啦。